This degree is primarily for two types of people, either for singers who want to learn how to produce and develop independence from other producers and other people working so they can record and create their own work. It's also for music producers who want to develop their vocal skills, either so that they can work more effectively with vocalists or so that they can record themselves and start putting ideas onto their own tracks as well. In the first instance, they're going to learn the basics of vocal performance technique, posture, singing in tune, breathing, all this stuff so that they can enhance and make the most of their singing voice. They also learn vocal musicianship, which is sort of studying singers and songwriters and vocal music styles through the eras, just so that they can apply that historical knowledge to all their creative stuff. In the second year, the specialist modules are songwriting and lyrics, which delves a little bit more into song form and particularly the art of writing lyrics for vocalists. Alongside that, they'll also do live vocal techniques in the second year, and that will involve basically preparing for performing on stage, so a bit more about performance movement, lighting, understanding a little bit about PA and putting together a bit more of a larger set, if you like. And then in the third year, the specialist modules that they'll do will be Showcase, which is the summation of all of their sort of composition and performance work, and they can sort of sell themselves as artists to the world, get industry in, do something in an external venue. And also they'll do a module on session singing and improvisation, which is essentially getting them working with studio engineers as artists, going in, top-lining tracks, making up and improvising backing vocals, all that sort of stuff. So just trying to enhance their abilities as vocalists, but also widen their career possibilities as well. There's a huge range of careers that we're preparing you for. The idea is that, the current music industry, it's very difficult to sort of just make your way as one specific job role. And so this whole idea of having a portfolio career or side hustles, if you like, to make sure that you're always able to work and work effectively is really important. And we've kind of built that into the course to make sure that you're sort of ready to take opportunities wherever they come in a range of different fields.
The lecturers in the module and generally in Point Blank, they are all industry professionals, so none of us are full-time teachers or university lecturers. We rock up in Point Blank and we teach the students what we do every day outside of Point Blank.
It's not going to just end in the classroom. You'll find that different collaborations brings out something different each time.
The whole idea is working with your peers, working with other people that need your skills in terms of a project. Alongside that, we've got loads of guest lecturers and also opportunities for sort of working with people in the industry. One thing that we've heard from all of the students that have applied is that it's quite unique. There isn't another course out there that offers exactly the same fit of modules, and a lot of them have said this is exactly what we're looking for. So hopefully it's exactly what you're looking for too. Come and join us.